In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a smooth, slow-motion video using the new method in CapCut. Whether you're capturing a dramatic moment, creating cinematic effects, or simply slowing things down to emphasize an important detail, smooth, slow motion can take your video to the next level. And with CapCut, it's easier than ever to achieve professional quality results right from your device. Stick around as I guide you step by step through the process, ensuring your slow-motion clips look fluid and natural. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to download the app and get started. First, open CapCut on your device and start a new project. This is where you'll begin building your slow-motion masterpiece. Once your project is ready, import the video you want to edit and place it on the timeline. The timeline is where all the magic happens. It's like your video editing canvas, allowing you to organize and fine-tune your footage. Next, we're going to isolate the specific part of the video you want to slow down. To do this, use the split tool, which is represented by a scissor icon. Simply position the playhead over the beginning and end of the section you want to slow down, then split the clip. This step is important because it ensures that only the selected part of your video is slowed down, keeping the pacing natural for the rest of your footage. Once you've isolated the section, click on it to select it. This lets CapCut know that you're ready to apply slow motion specifically to this part of your video. Now, let's locate the speed options. Depending on your device, this may look a little different. On mobile, you'll find the speed settings in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. If you're working on a PC, head to the panel in the top right corner. Once you've found the speed settings, click on them to open the speed adjustment menu. Here, choose the normal speed option and adjust the slider to the left to slow down your video. The further you slide it to the left, the slower the playback will be. For example, selecting 0.5x will reduce the speed to half, while 0.3x will make the motion even slower. This gives you precise control over how dramatic you want the slow motion to feel. At this point, we're going to enhance the smoothness of the slow motion effect. Look for the option to enable smoothing features. If you're on mobile, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select better quality. On a PC, you'll find a checkbox for smooth slow-mo. After enabling it, make sure to select Optical Flow from the drop-down menu. Optical flow is a technique that creates new frames to fill in the gaps, which results in fluid motion without any choppiness. If you don't see the optical flow option, don't worry. CapCut will automatically select the best available smoothing method for your device. Now let CapCut process and analyze the clip. This might take a few moments depending on the length of your video and the performance of your device. Be patient during this step, as the software is working to ensure your slow motion looks as seamless as possible. Once the processing is complete, play back the clip to preview your work. Watch closely to make sure the slow motion is smooth, natural, and free of any glitches. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. When you're satisfied with the result, export your video. CapCut makes it easy to save your project in high quality, so your slow motion masterpiece will be ready to share with the world. And that's how you create a smooth, slow motion video in CapCut using the new method. With these steps, you can transform your footage into something truly cinematic and professional. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials like this, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.